Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You must be level 25 and have Thunderbolt equipped. Once done, collect 10 Thunder Shards and 5 Evolution Crystals. These are consumed. Make sure inventory has free slots and move any gear you want to protect into storage. Now travel to the Evolution altar in the Weapons District and open the Evolution menu. Speak to the NPC if required to accept the Evolution quest, because that unlocks the next interface and prevents wasted resources. With the menu open, select Thunderbolt and inspect the stat preview to see new abilities and requirements. Next, place the required shards and crystals into their exact slots. Order matters for some modifiers, so follow the UI prompts carefully. Once items are slotted, confirm you have 500 gold to cover the fee and toggle enhancement options if you want guaranteed success at higher cost. After you confirm, the system will begin the evolution sequence. Do not close the menu during progress to avoid interrupted transactions. Once evolution completes, verify the completion screen displays Thunderbolt's new level, augmented stats, and any unlocked moves. Equip the weapon and test its abilities in a safe area to confirm changes. This ensures passive effects apply. If the evolution fails or rolls back, use failure insurance if you purchased it to protect materials, or check reclaim options that return a percentage of shards. If you see mismatched stats, restart the client and resync with the server. That usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.